How to use a dictionary. Where'd that panda come from? Oh, this old thing? I dove down into the deepest pits of the Arctic and saved it from a fire-breathing ocean dragon. That is ludicrous. Wait just a minute, you talk? Of course I do. Well, you talk gibberish. Ludicrous is not a word. Of course it is. Sounds like someone needs a dictionary. What, may I ask, is a dictionary? It's a reference book that you can use to find out what words mean. That book is huge. How is a penguin supposed to find anything in that? Easy. Everything's in ABC order, and it has guide words for help. This is the part where you show me how to use it, isn't it? Of course it is. Like I said before, everything is in ABC order. The guide words, which are at the top of each page, tell you the first word on the page and the last. Anything that comes between those two words will be on that page. Apparently, gibberish is contagious. He needs an example. Here's an example. The guide words are lotion and lumber. The first word on the page is lotion. And the last word is lumber. So that means ludicrous is on that page. That's right, because ludicrous is between lotion and lumber alphabetically. If it's confusing, just focus on the first three letters of each word. L-O-T is the first, L-U-M is the last, so L-U-D comes in the middle. Are you ever going to tell me what that word ludicrous means? Let's look it up. Look for the bold word ludicrous in ABC order on the page. Words in bold are called entry words. The entry word is split into syllables. How many syllables is ludicrous? 3? Correct. 1, 2, 3. You also find letters that show how to pronounce the word. And the part of speech. Next, you will find the most important part, the definition. Last, you will see other forms of that word. Ludicrous means funny because of being ridiculous? Yep. You think my story about a fire-breathing Arctic ocean dragon is funny because it's ridiculous? Yep. Well, I think a talking panda is ludicrous. Not as ludicrous as a panda underwater in the Arctic.
Created using Powtoon.